I'm at Riverbank Elementary School, and today kids are getting prepared for floods. They're learning to plan, pack, and protect, and they're doing it in a fun way, like this right here, where I am about to flood this whole neighborhood right over here. And let's just say some of the kids that we spoke to today are very excited.
I'm very excited today's event. I'm gonna practice flood protection for our school, our houses, and our families, and all the things that we like at our houses or any place.
So what are some of the things that you'll be packing?
My video games.
Now, there's other games as well, like computer games, coloring games, and all kinds of other information. Now, the goal is to prepare them for a flood and to take that information to their families. We'll send it back to you.